Honestly, most tools and most systems are way too complex, especially for beginners. And there's such a better way to start and become productive without the hassle of using all these productivity tools. And in this video, I want to show you exactly that. How to simplify your digital life without much need of any tool and honestly become definitely more productive. Because most of the best productivity tips are just to simplify a lot of things. I'm Jeff, I'm an ex-photographer and also ex-co-founder of a German company or startup called Xanevo. We were a team of 10 people who made around 30,000 in the first year, and also this business is going to make 7 figures this year, but I quit this business 1-2 years ago. And now I pursue my passion with my one-person business and building currently a personal brand here on YouTube and teaching others or helping others increase their business productivity about problem solving, productivity in general, and self-improvement. So let's kick off this video immediately. So I call this super simple Steve Jobs method. So there's more to the Steve Jobs method and there's a full video, which I can link below, or I don't know if this is coming up here. But in this video, I just want to show you one specific mechanism I've created for myself. And I call it the moving projects and task system. And it's extremely simple. First of all, we create a weekly calendar. This can be in any tool or software, also on a whiteboard, on a piece of paper, whatsoever. So from Monday to Friday or Sunday, however you want to work. And then every single day when you finish a stuff, when you finish a task, you can do a tick, you can do something, you can color it green however you want. You can do it as much as you like. And then, if we don't finish a task, which we mostly not do, and honestly, most tasks are not that important, which I will come up in a second. And if we don't finish a task, we just move it to the next day. And I know it sounds kind of like procrastinating, but it's actually not, because mostly our mind and or our business mostly knows what is important. And if not, these two things will help you. And then the next one is we delete unnecessary items. Often, if we postpone it to, like, let's say 3 or 4 days after its initial day we should actually do this work, we just find out it's actually not that important. Because there's other things we need to do. There's other more high priority tasks, like for example, writing in the morning for my newsletter, building my business plan, increasing my funnel, whatsoever. And then to delete these unnecessary items, we can simply do it with the Eisenhower matrix. So some people are familiar with that. Just Google it. It's a simple quarter thing of something. Yeah, so you can just check it out. And this should actually help you to clarify what is important, what is not important. Let's show the system in action. I just use milanote here, so my task system is exactly simple. So I need to do every single day 1 hour of writing. And if I do it every single day, as you can see here, I just color it green. Then I need to go to the gym, which is red because it's something else, and I just do it green. And then I call it the moving project and task system. So everything what we put in here, like we can also include more, which I don't want to show right now, is I just move the moving task. If I don't finish something, I just move it to the next day and do it next day until I finish it, or I just delete it with the Eisenhower matrix. Because a lot of things, I just kind of think like, oh, I need to do it, and then later on, I don't care. I'm not excited, and it doesn't really move my business forward, so I kind of procrastinate it on purpose. And then, for example, I have these emojis, which I also need every single day, and I just move them as well. And this is actually a super simple system, because a lot of things we kind of forget, or we write them down on a paper and then we just leave the paper somewhere and we just forget it. And that's what happened to me all the time. And actually I tried a lot of different Notion business techniques and whatsoever. And then I just go back to the system, and it actually made me more productive, because it works in the beginning. Then I wanted to have a more complex system, but then this complex system didn't really work. And then now I have the simple system again, and it helps me again super well. So why do we need to complicate things without the need of anything? That's it. Before clicking off this video, if you're interested to build and start your own business, I have a 7-day challenge to start your own business, and I call it the chaos to clarity. And in these 7 days, I guide you to more clarity less chaos, higher productivity, fewer work hours, and the foundation of your second brain business. What a second brain business is, this is actually my specific business. You will find more out if you join the challenge. And honestly, there's no bullshit, just pure value for 7 days. And honestly, it was the best decision I ever made to start my second brain business. And I wake up every single day and I'm extremely excited to work on this business because it is just exactly things what I'm interested in doing. Join the 7-day challenge and see you guys in my next video. Thanks very much. And if there's anything, if it was too simple, the video, if it was too short, if you want a longer, more explanatory one, leave it down in the comments and see you guys in my next video. Bye.